Luke, yeah. Eddie, you must be slightly frustrated the way that's turned out in the end, because it's a game settled by a very, very fine margin.
Yeah, very much so. We felt lots of the performance was good today without probably being our best of the season. Loads of chances. Just one of those days it wouldn't go in for us. I felt if we had have scored at any stage during that game, even at 2-0 down, we were always very close to getting back into the game. So it was a game that slipped by for us, but felt the players gave everything.
They were very, very good.
Eddie Howe, Newcastle manager, speaks after a huge defeat against the Arsenal Football Club at their home stadium. As Eddie Howe says, it was just one among of the incredible, it's one among of the wonderfully, one among of the dramatic match. As of course, what made them losing the today, the 3 important points, is about the situation of the players on the pitch. Players were panicked. Of course, they showed the sense of losing the concentration. They also showed the sense of not concentrating on the match. Of course, that was also a reason for them to have their poor performance over today's match. In fact, Eddie Howe said that it's a time now to think about the next match, but it should be clear that the players must learn from that today's game, as they were just out of the match. They were just knocked out of the concentration of the match, and that was just a big problem, the main problem for the today's loss. And he used to say that Arsenal Football Club was incredible and experienced the players. They used the weakness of the Newcastle players. Of course, they discovered earlier that Newcastle players have lost their concentration, and of course they just calmed down and they played as much as they can. That's why they got those 3 important goals, and they got those 3 important points. And of course it's just incredible, and of course it is painful in one way or another to see the club is just having a poor performance at home, as they have disappointed much their fans. They have been disappointing their fans for today's result. And here in Newcastle, manager Eddie Howe says it's a time now to give apologies. He has been apologizing the Newcastle fans all around the world who have, of course, especially for those who came to support them in the stadium. They have been apologized, and he has been also promised them that they are planning to remain at the top 4 position is just alive, as a dream to make sure that they play the UEFA Champions League next season is just alive. And of course